where they keep the horses at, in that barn right there. We'll come back to that one later. We'll go out here and see the horses right now. Comes Layla, the young one. She's a year old. Over there's Gracie. Come on, Gracie. Come here. Come here. Little hut for them to stay in out of the rain. Of course, we don't hardly have them out in the rain ever. In case we can't get to them, though. Little hay bag there. Ball for them to play with there on the fence. Cats everywhere. Haven't got my spring yard work done yet, so still junk laying around from the winter. Couple chickens. I think we have 20. 4 that lay white eggs, and 4 white ones, obviously, without the plain white ones. And the rest of them lay all brown or green eggs. The chicken run is backside of a barn, a hole cut in the wall, 16 by 24 feet. Pit over there and another storage building, which was a printer shipping container. I don't know if you can see it real good from here, but I'll zoom in. That there was a printer shipping container, and I put the metal siding on and the roof on it. Made it a outbuilding for us. See the back of the house. I'm not sure what she's going to do right now. Play with the chickens.
Can you say hi? Yeah, you going to say hi? Yeah. Oh, you're picking up my leg.
Oh.
There you go. Anybody else want to be on film?
What's wrong, Stella? Huh? What's the matter? Over here is the second run that we abandoned. I built this chicken coop out of pallets and some siding that was laying around. The fencing are large pallets of all metal, or that they put sheets of steel on. They're about 10 or so foot long. and 4 feet wide, so they kind of work nice for fencing, although
Hey, Stella.
it goes the wrong direction. I'd like to have them the other way, but we have chicken wire on it to try to keep the chickens in, but that didn't work. They just flew over.
Yeah. You want your Dave? Hmm? This is Stella. Yeah. She likes being outside now.
It's the most girly cat we have. Had some garden over here. We might try it again. A little bit of something. Gotta get going though. Burn pile. Junk pile. I'll have to edit some of this out. There's the coop that flew the coop. Doesn't have we have a door on it to keep the coons and whatever other rodents out to try to eat my chickens. Not sure what's all going to build a nest in there, but we'll have to get that taken out. I'm planning to move it over here into the horse area so they can have a place to move into or play with.
There you go. Yeah. He's not much of a baby anymore. She just had her 1-year-old birthday. There you go. Hi, Gracie. Layla. Speak to us? Huh? I don't got no more.
So there, walk around this way to the barn. Hopefully the wind isn't tearing up the microphone. You can hear something. We've got one following us now. City girl over there got her hands dirty. Nothing. Just making fun of it. I tried to make a fence here, but the wind is terrible out here. So I think I'm just going to end up burning them, doing something else for fencing. Down there's the pig barns, feeders. We're not going inside, but I'm zooming a little bit. There's a lot of pigs in there, but it's a nice operation. There's the old rototiller. This thing's it's dead. It was behind the old barn that was down there. I can't even describe where it was, but that sprayer was way behind the other barn, and they drug it up here. I guess they're going to get rid of it sometime. They want to plant before too long in here, so they got to get that thing moved first. Now we'll go into the opening. There's some more junk storage and some pig barn equipment. And over here is the horse stall with hay, and over there is a grain bucket and some other tools that we need for. We had to clean it out, but get more bedding. A feed and water container hanging up there, and this first 6 feet or so was already here. You can kind of see there is support beams that go up. That piece was already built, so they had something in here before. They had a gate in between the split right there. It had 2 stalls. We took the gate out and tried that short part for a while and just discovered it wasn't big enough. So we added on more pallets to give them another 6 foot of space to live into. I got lights in here, and you can come out and, we built this other side with a blanket on it for Layla, but never was able to separate the two like we should have, but it'll be fine. So that's a tour of the barn. Go back outside and get into the sun. It's a little warmer. So just walking around toward the drive side where we started from. Need to wash the building. See if I can use I'll be washing the pig barns before too many more weeks, so maybe I'll pull it up here and wash off the house and the small barn. Here's some pallets I got. I was going to make a bunch of fencing with it, but they're too heavy and they don't look good, so I'll do something with them. Maybe have a nice fire, cookout, or whatever.
Good idea, just wrong equipment.
Yeah. So there's a shot of it's about 3 rolls of 50 foot, so fencing. So it's 50 foot from the corner on the right to the corner on the left, and then the run that goes along the back over there is probably, it might be 50 foot as well, maybe a little longer, and then the shorter run over there. So I forget how many total feet, but it's enough for now. And
I'm going to add on this summer.
We want to go over there where the junk pile is and the old chicken coop and expand the fencing out into that area toward the tree back there. Come around and just meet the coop, maybe. The new, or the old run, I should say. So yeah, that's what they love to do, is eat sweet grass.
Don't give them a whole lot, though. Hi, baby. Huh? Stella, come on. They still have, did you tell them they still have their winter fur? We're working on brushing them out. It's a long process with these too.
Yeah, don't just fall right out. You gotta brush it out, and they'll slick out. I'm curious to see Layla's color when she slicks out. It looks like she'll just be all black, but we'll see. This looks like Life Flight might be coming in up there. Blister. I don't know. I can't tell from here.